So, we're going in Mount Johnston for our fourth check-in. Of course, hindi na namin nalakad kaya nag-MTR kami. Naman. Mainit. Ayaw namin mapagod, mainit. Okay, we'll go there for the entrance of the hike. Yeah. Okay, going up now. Up Lake Chow. Of course, hindi na kami aakyat sa taas kasi bababa ulit kami. Tingnan na lang ninyo. Ayan, nagpipicture sila dun sa may pangalan. Ha? Okay guys, we're here in Nam Long Shan to Brick Hill. So we're gonna walk beside the Singaporean school and then walk for a few meters. Okay, we're almost at the starting of Nam Long Shan or Brick Hill, and it's the start of the stairs. Okay, start of the stairs. So hot here in Brick Hill. Grabe ang init ngayon. Pag ininom ko yung tubig ko, wala na. Lake Chow, then Ocean Park. Okay, still going. Okay, the summit is there. So we're almost at the summit. There's the summit. Okay, it's been a while since I last came here. I think it's 5 years ago. Because of COVID, I need to hike by myself before, so I just go for a short walk near. And it's hot again. Oh, this was not here before. The rock here before was gone now. Okay na? Okay, and we are here at the helipad. Maganda mag-sunset dito. I can see. Tara! Gusto ko itong kuhani. Dito si Ocean Park. guys! Look at the clouds! Victoria Peak! Oh guys, here we are. Guess where are we? We're in Jijing! So this is the way to Victoria Peak Garden. Let's see. This is the sign. And look at our companion. She's wearing a dress. Gosh. Okay, we're done with Victoria Peak at last. Nakuha ko na rin. So, we're gonna go to High West for their check-in there. Bahala na sila dun. Look at that. There, I'm waiting for my two companions. Nag-check-in sa High West. Coffee while waiting for them.